Hi student, in this video we will learn interest on drawing. We already knows what is the meaning of drawing. Drawing means money withdrawn out of the firm by the partners for their personal use. If or in the partnership agreement, suppose they are given the rate of interest or the agreed rate of interest of a drawing, that time partner has to pay interest to the firm. Otherwise, no interest is charged on the drawings if there is no express agreement among the partners. So there are different situations to a calculation of interest on drawing. First one, when different amounts are withdrawn at a different intervals. It is called a product method also. Second situation, when fixed amount is withdrawn every month. Third situation, when a fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly. So there are three situations to calculation of interest on drawing. Now we will take a first situation when different amounts are withdrawn at different intervals. It means different amounts means not a fixed amount. Changing amounts are withdrawn at different intervals. Intervals means a time period. Means a changing time period also. So in the exam, most of the times asked a question on the basis of a product method. That's why we will take a first example of a product method. So let's see first question. Sahana and Sania are partners in a firm. Means there are two partners. Sahana's drawing for the year 2016-17 are given as under. She withdraw first time rupees 4,000 on 1st June 2016. She again withdraw second time 6,000 on 30th September 2016. She withdraw third time 2,000 on 30th November 2016. Lastly, she again withdraw 3,000 on 1st January 2017. It means she withdraw 4 times in the year. So what we have to find out? Calculation interest on the Sahana's drawing at 8% per annum. And so they given the rate of interest is 8%. It changes question to question. For the year ending on 31st March 2017 under the product method. So now we have to calculate the month of the drawings. So that's why we need to understand the month and month numbers. So let's solve this question. Before I start to solve the problem, we need to understand the formula of interest on drawing. So what is the formula? Interest on drawing is equal to sum of product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. So here we need a sum of product and a rate of interest. So rate of interest we know already. So we have to find out sum of product. So in this question, we need to prepare a statement showing calculation of interest on drawing. So there need to prepare 4 columns. First one date, second one amount, third one number of outstanding months. Otherwise we can write a time period. Fourth one product. So in the first column we will write the all date of drawings. In the second column, we will write all amount of drawings. And in the third column means number of outstanding months, we need to find out the outstanding months. And in the last column, we will multiply amount column and number of outstanding month column. So in the first time, she withdraw 4,000 on which date? 1st June 2016. So what is the withdrawal date? 1st June. And what is the year ending date? Year ending date in this question 31st March 2017, means 31st March is the year ending date. So we have to calculate the month from 1st June to 31st March. So it means 10 months. We will write a 10 in the number of outstanding month column. Next, in a product column, we have to write down multiplication of 4000 into 10 means 40,000. Next, in next time means the second time, she withdraw 6,000 on 30th September 2016. 30th September means it's the last date of a September month. That's why we will not include a September month. We will calculate from October to 31st March, means 6 months. That's why we will write a 6, and in the last column we will write the amount, means 6,000 into 6 is equal to 36,000. Third time she withdraw 30th November 2016. In this time also she withdraw last date of the month, means November's last date. That's why we will exclude the November month and we will start the calculation from December. January, February, March, means 4 months. That's why we will write a 4 and multiply by 2000. So we will get 8,000 in a product column. Last time she withdraw on 1st January 2017. Amount is 3,000. So in outstanding column we will calculate the month from January to 31st March, means 3 months. And in last column we will write 3,000 into 3 means 9,000. Lastly, we have to add this total. It means a sum of product. So our sum of product is 93,000. How to write down the formula? Interest on drawing is equal to sum of products into rate of interest into 1 by 12. And we have to put all the values. Sum of product 93,000 into rate of interest is 8%, that's why 8 divided by 100 into 1 by 12 is equal to, our answer is 620. So in this question in the exam will come for 6 marks. So for the calculation of a product per times 1 marks means 4 marks, and 1 marks for the formula and 1 marks for the answer. So total 6 marks. So here we need to understand the month and a date of the month, means it's a date beginning of the month or the end of the month. If there is a beginning of the month, we have to include this month. If the end of the month, that time we have to exclude this month and we have to calculate from the next month. So there is a need to practice more about the month calculation. Then we can solve perfectly and we will get a correct answer.